Welcome to day 2 of our 21 Days English Challenge. Yesterday, we built your foundation. And today, my friend, we are unlocking one of the most powerful secrets that will change the way you learn English forever. Today, you will discover the 5% rule, the strategy that fixes your biggest English weakness and accelerates your fluency faster than you ever imagined. Most learners struggle because they focus on the wrong things. They believe they must memorize thousands of words. They think grammar rules are everything. They believe that only hours of studying will make them fluent. But the truth is shocking. You do not need all that. You only need the vital 5% that creates 95% of your results. This is the secret of fast learners, and from today, it will be your secret too. In this video, I will show you exactly what the 5% rule means. You will learn how to identify the most important areas of English, how to focus your daily practice for maximum improvement, and how to turn small, focused efforts into big results. By the end of this lesson, your approach to learning English will be completely different. You will think differently, study differently, and speak differently. So, my friend, are you ready to fix your biggest English weakness and transform your skills? Let's begin. First, let's understand the 5% rule. Many people hear this and think it's complicated, but it's actually very simple. The 5% rule means that a small part of your effort gives you most of your results. In English learning, just a small fraction of words, grammar, and daily practice contributes to the majority of your fluency. Think about it. In your daily life, only a few things truly matter. Focusing on these gives you clarity, efficiency, and fast progress. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine cleaning your house. You spend 1 hour, but the room looks clean after the first 6 minutes. Those 6 minutes, a small effort, give you most of the result. That is the power of focusing on the important few. Now think about your English. Thousands of words, dozens of grammar rules, complicated methods. It feels overwhelming. But here's the secret. You don't need all that. You only need the crucial 5%. When you learn this, you understand English, speak English, and feel confident using it in daily life. Why does this rule work so well? Because most learners waste time. They memorize words they never use. They practice grammar they never speak. They try to copy accents that are hard to follow. They study hard, but not smart. The 5% rule gives you direction. It tells you to focus on what matters. Focus on what actually improves your English fast. That is why smart learners succeed while others struggle. Let me tell you a short story. There were 2 learners, learner A and learner B. Learner A studied 3 hours every day, memorized heavy vocabulary, wrote long grammar notes, and used difficult books. Despite all this, they couldn't speak confidently. Learner B studied only 30 minutes each day, focused on the most common words, practiced simple grammar, spoke short sentences, and repeated what mattered. Learner B improved rapidly, spoke fluently, and built confidence quickly. Why? Because learner B applied the 5% rule. Learner B learned smart, not hard. This story can be your story too. Now that you understand the concept, Let's connect it directly to English learning. The 5% rule means focusing on these areas: most common words, essential grammar, real-life sentences, listening practice, and repetition. If you master these 5 things consistently, your English will improve dramatically. Step 1. Focus on the most common words. English has over 1 million words, but in daily life, native speakers use only 2,000 to 3,000. Out of these, just 1,000 covers 80% of conversations. These are your 5%, the key to understanding and communicating effectively. Words like go, take, make, do, need, want, know, think, use, give, see. These are simple, everyday words, but they appear everywhere. For example, I want to learn English. Can you help me? I think this is right. These short sentences contain your core vocabulary. Your task is to learn 10 common words every day. Make one simple sentence with each word. Repeat it 3 times. In just 1 month, you will know 300 words, enough to handle most daily conversations confidently. Small effort, huge results. This is the 5% rule in action. Step 2. Focus on essential grammar. You don't need all the rules. You only need the grammar that is used 95% of the time. That includes present simple, present continuous, past simple, future simple, and present perfect simple. These 5 tenses are enough to speak in daily situations. For example, present simple, I learn English every day. Present continuous, I am learning now. Past simple, I learned yesterday. Future simple, I will improve tomorrow. Present perfect, I have learned many things. That is all you need for most conversations. How to practice? Pick 1/10 per day. Make 2 examples yourself. Repeat them slowly 3 times. By focusing only on essential grammar, you save time, avoid confusion, and build confidence faster. Remember, this is the 5% that gives 95% of your fluency. Step 3. Speak short sentences daily. Long, perfect sentences are not needed. Small sentences build fluency, confidence, and quick thinking. For example, I am learning. I will try again. I understand this. This is easy. I can speak. Speak for 3 to 5 minutes every day. Stand in front of a mirror if you can. Smile while speaking. It improves confidence and clarity. Small steps create massive improvement. Step 4. Listen to easy English every day. Listening is the heart of language learning. Even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Focus on simple stories, slow English podcasts, children's content, or previous lessons. Your brain naturally absorbs pronunciation, rhythm, sentence patterns, and vocabulary. Do not stress about understanding everything at first. The key is consistency. Listening builds automatic understanding. This is the 5% effort for 95% improvement. Step 5. Focus on real English, not textbook English. School English teaches grammar rules and rare words, but real-life English is about useful phrases and everyday sentences. Examples. Can you help me? I don't understand. Let's try again. What do you mean? That's a good idea. These sentences appear in real conversations and give immediate results. Always practice practical, usable English. This is your 5% that creates 95% fluency. Bonus tip: repetition. Repeating what you learn is the secret to making English automatic. Review yesterday's words, sentences, and grammar. Speak them aloud. Listen again. Repetition may seem small, but it cements your knowledge and builds confidence faster than learning new content every day. This is the hidden magic of smart English learning. Now, let's combine everything into a daily routine, your personal roadmap to rapid improvement. Follow this simple, powerful schedule. First 10 minutes, learn 10 common words. Read, speak, and make a sentence with each. Repeat 3 times. This builds your vocabulary foundation quickly and effectively. Next 10 minutes, learn simple grammar. Focus on 1 tense per day. Make examples. Speak them slowly. Repeat 3 times. Clarity in grammar builds confident communication. Next 10 minutes, listen to easy English. Focus fully on comprehension, rhythm, and pronunciation. Don't worry if you understand only half. Your brain is learning naturally. Next 5 minutes, speak short sentences. Practice phrases you just learned. Speak clearly, slowly, and confidently. This strengthens fluency and train your mouth and brain together. Next 5 minutes, review and repeat. Go over yesterday's words, grammar, and sentences. Even 5 minutes of review builds long-term memory and mastery. Optional bonus: track your progress. Write down words learned, grammar practiced, listening done, and speaking sessions completed. Seeing progress visually gives motivation and reinforces consistency. Celebrate small wins. Small wins create big momentum. Now it's time for live practice. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. I am learning the smart way. I focus on what matters. Small steps create big results. I can speak English. I am confident. I will succeed. Say each line slowly. Feel the words. Believe them. Let your mind absorb this power. Now, practice real-life sentences. I understand this lesson. I know these words. I am learning new things. This method is helping me. I will practice today. I can speak English. These sentences are your tools. Speak them with conviction. Each repetition builds fluency, confidence, and speed. Vocabulary practice. Let's use simple, everyday words in sentences. Work. I work hard every day. Call. Please call me later. Help. Can you help me? Use. I use simple English. Need. I need more practice. Want. I want to learn English fast. Know. I know this word. Make. I will make a plan. Take. Take your time. Think. I think I can do this. Speak each sentence clearly, slowly, and with intention. Grammar practice. Present simple. I learn English every day. I practice for a short time. Past simple. I learned many words yesterday. I listened to a simple story. Future simple. I will improve tomorrow. I will stay consistent. Present continuous. I am learning now. I am improving. Present perfect simple. I have learned many lessons. I have practiced daily. This is real practical English. Confidence building. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel these sentences. I am growing. I am getting better. I am learning step by step. I believe in myself. I can speak English. I will succeed. Let these words fill you with energy. Confidence strengthens your English faster than hours of studying. Before we finish today, remember that learning English is about growth, hope, and opportunities. Every small effort matters. Every word, every sentence, every practice builds your future self. You are capable, you are strong, and you are improving every day. The 5% rule makes learning efficient, simple, and achievable. Focus on the important few, not everything. Study smart, speak confidently, and see rapid progress. Imagine yourself in a few months. You understand English naturally. You speak fluently without fear. You think in English. You feel proud of yourself. People notice your improvement. This is not a dream. It is your reality if you apply the 5% rule consistently. Say these final lines with me. I am learning smart. I am confident. I am improving every day. I trust myself. I will succeed. Feel the strength in each word. Carry it with you. This is the mindset of successful learners. This is your secret to rapid English improvement. This was day 2 of our 21 Days English Challenge. You learned the 5% rule, practiced vocabulary, grammar, listening and speaking, and strengthened your confidence. Tomorrow, we go even further. Your journey is ongoing, and I am with you every step of the way. Stay consistent, stay focused, stay confident, and watch your English transform. Thank you for learning with me today. I am proud of your progress. Keep practicing, keep believing, and I will see you on day 3. Remember, small actions done consistently create massive results. You are building your best English self, smart, confident, and fluent.